Hey friends, as you can see, I'm not in the studio today, so this video is going to be a bit more casual. In fact, I'm actually thousands of miles away from the studio because right now I'm with the family visiting my brother-in-law here in Kansas City, Missouri. I've never been in this part of the country before, and I'm amazed at how beautiful the scenery is. Everything's so green, all the houses have lawns and gardens, you got chipmunks and squirrels running around the yard, and it's definitely a great place for me to take a break. But I can't. If you know me, you know that I can't go along without doing some teaching, so I decided to prepare this quick but very cool lesson for you. As usual, I'm going to steer away from boring box shapes, and I'm going to show you an easy way to improvise using the major scale everywhere on the guitar fretboard using the string fragment system, or SFS. Now, SFS can cover every possibility on the fretboard without memorizing box shapes. That's why in my SFS modes course, we learn all the possible string fragments in a step-by-step system. But doing all that takes some work. So in this lesson, we will just use 3 string fragments, and you'll be amazed at how many soloing possibilities will open up for you in just a few minutes of practice. So here are the 3 string fragments. We will play fingers 1, 2, 4, then 1, 2, 4 on the next string, and 1, 3, 4 on the next. So 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. I'll do it starting on fret 4, string 6. Now, these 3 string fragments are normally numbered SF4, SF5, and SF1 when we study the complete system because they are part of something bigger. But for the purposes of this lesson, you can ignore the SF numbers for now. Just think 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Now, it's important to note that the root note for our major scale is not the first finger on the lowest string fragment, it's the second. So what I just played was an A major scale. Listen to it over an A major chord. This means that when we use SFS to move the scale around the fretboard, we will locate our A root notes and place our second finger there. You will see how this works in the examples that are coming up. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play some chords outlining the A major tonality, and then I'll improvise over them, going over all the possible options, jumping to every A on the fretboard. You should pay special attention to the changing diagrams below so that you can know exactly what I'm doing. After I finish, I'll give you some important tips on this and show you how to get into SFS yourself and get on your way to mastering the fretboard. Alright, hopefully you can see how with just 3 string fragments we cover a lot of fretboard real estate and we can move freely and creatively without being stuck in memorized box shapes. Of course, there are some adjustments that you need to make, and it does take a bit of practice before this way of thinking becomes automatic, but the results are great. You should check out my free SFS Fretboard Secrets mini course and see for yourself how this system can do wonders for your improvisation skills. A few thousand guitar players have gone through it already, and the feedback I'm getting is extremely positive. So use the link below or head on to string.systems and sign up, or just use the link that you'll find in the video description if you're watching this on YouTube. In SFS Fretboard Secrets, we see how the string fragment system can be used with a variety of scales and modes. You will learn in minutes things that you thought you wouldn't learn for a long time. SFS is easy, it's creative, it's flexible, and it's fun. And I'm a firm believer in that practicing music should be fun. That's why I will leave you with the EMP motto: enjoy your practice and be effective.